Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. On tonight's episode, we're going to switch gears a little bit. We're not going to be working underneath the car. I decided I'm tired of getting dirt and everything in my eyes and breathing it in and working underneath for a little while. So we're going to start on something else. It's dealing with the car, but start on something else. Alright, join us in a minute. I'll show you what we're working on. Alright everyone, on tonight's episode we're going to be disassembling this front nose cone for my Firebird. I got to get it tore apart so I can figure out what all parts I need. I know I ordered these outer shells. This one over here is busted. This one is cracked, so I ordered new ones. But I got to delve into it a little deeper and see what I all need so I can get things ordered for it. Alright, I'll show you how I'm going to tear it apart. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove these grille inserts and get them out of the way. They are 3/8, so you have two bottom bolts and you have two bolts that come in from the top side. So let's get that out of there. There's one. and 2. So this is what I was talking about, folks. I don't know how well you can see it, but this area right here, this little ear on this plastic grill insert is busted off, so I'll need a new one of those. Alright folks, so the next area I'm going to be taking off is the back side of these headlights. Now these headlights should come out with this bucket, but I guess we'll see on that. And again, they're just 3/8 bolts. Now another thing, when you're disassembling stuff, one trick I use, like on those grill inserts and on these bolts as well, I'll throw them in a little Ziploc baggie and seal them up and keep them with the parts, so then you know where they went, or generally where they went. So the next area I'm going to take apart are these bezels that go around the headlamps. Now the way it looks is there's 2 Phillips in this one and 2 flats in this one. I don't know which ones were original, but I'm probably ordering all new parts for this anyway, so. But it pays to keep things until you get new parts and see what you're missing. See what standard equipment was. Oh, these actually might not be too bad. I'll have to see if we can get these cleaned up. They're built out of a pot metal. Looks like they were chromed at one time. We'll see what we can do with them. Got to switch you over to a better angle so I can get at this. Alright, I think we're going to need a bigger screwdriver. Alright folks, now that I have that passenger side ripped apart, I'm going to essentially copy the exact same process on the driver's side. Those are 3/8. Alright, on the driver's side, we have a Phillips, missing a screw, a Phillips, and a flat. I'm guessing these were supposed to be Phillips, but who knows. Alright folks, thanks for joining me on tonight's video. It looks like I'm pretty much going to have to buy a whole bunch of new parts for this front end. So this bumper actually holds the front end together. It's bolted together. This is as far as I'm going to take it down. when I bring it to a body shop, I'll let them deal with it. But I did order new outer headlight bezels. I got to order the cushions. I'm going to attempt to find this center plate and cushion behind it. If I can, I can. If I can't, I can't. The bumper seems like it's in pretty good condition. Worst case, I'll have to get a new one of those. Both of these grille inserts are cracked and missing tabs. And then both of these headlight, I guess, brackets, if you want to call them, are in pretty rough shape. These aren't too bad. I've already kind of priced them out. The bezels that go around the headlights themselves, I think I'll be able to clean them up pretty decent. I am going to get new mounting hardware so I can adjust my headlights when I get that far. But hopefully it won't be too bad on the pocketbook. Again, thank you for watching tonight's video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring for y'all, and please join me on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.